Hey guys, here I am again. I'm going to show y'all how I've been doing a lot of reading and a lot of searching all over the internet, and my truck had originally came with the RA1 5-inch, so the basic radio, it only had, AM, FM, XM, and Bluetooth. So I'm going to upgrade it to the RA4 with navigation. If you're going to upgrade to the RA3, you can just skip the part where I use the GPS antenna. But either way, this will show you how to do it on a budget, because I've looked into it and there's companies out there that want like $1,600 to send you a radio and the harness, the HVAC module, and the bezel. So after lots and lots of searching, I figured out how to do it for like 600 bucks. So, which is about the same price as what you would pay for a decent double den somewhere. So I guess I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them top bolts out and remove the two top T20s and remove the bezel off here and remove the 5-inch, the 5-inch radio. Alright, so now I'm in the house and I'm just gonna break it down for you. I got the RA4. If you look on the back, it says this is the Harman Kardon. Flip it around. Trying to leave it in the package. You see VP4. So there's the radio. Here's the HVAC module. There's part number for it. Here's the bezel, single zone, not dual zone. I don't want to change the whole HVAC box in the dash. Chinese GPS antenna. I'm gonna take this, remove the sticky, stick it right up under the dash. The dash is so thin the GPS will work. Straight from infotainment, a 911 override. That'll keep it from showing an error for the cell phone signal. Here's my harness, specifically for our trucks for the upgrade. So I got that from CarPlay Nav. Both infotainment and CarPlay Nav offer a military discount. I'm a veteran, so I got that percentage off. Now I'll break it down. The radio, $280 off eBay. This, I think it's $160 regular price. The radio, was $280 off eBay. The harness from CarPlay Nav was $160. The jumper harness from infotainment, I think it was like $20. HVAC module, you can find them on eBay all day long for around 100 bucks. GPS antenna off eBay, I think it was like 18 bucks. The bezel for the radio so that you have volume controls and your HVAC controls, I ended up ordering that off eBay for like $115. So mathematically speaking, let's just average 300, 100, 160, let's see, that's 4, 560, 80, 600, $700. So for $700 you can have everything to put the RA4 factory 8.4-inch UCONNECT radio in your truck, which makes for a hell of an upgrade. Now I'm fixing to go and install this. It's super windy today. It's going to cause me to have a lot of problems trying to keep the door open in video and a lot of wind noise over it. There's dozens of videos of people taking the dash apart to install this, so I'm not going to go through that. due to the circumstances. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and we will go from there. And oh yeah, hold on. Make sure when you buy your radio off eBay, you buy it from a reputable dealer, so that way they send it with the VIN number, so it comes off of the so you can have that for what vehicle it came off of. Then you can call the dealership and get the PIN number to unlock it, because it'll be locked, and they're gonna ask you for that serial number there, and that number there, before they'll unlock it. And then they'll give you an unlock code for free, don't cost anything, and then you'll be able to put it in and it'll be operational in your truck. I said I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to go ahead and just show this. On this old bezel, this wiring harness right here goes to the actual truck itself. So that jumper harness we got from CarPlay Nav will end up plugging into this and running across. And right here, where that bolt hole, well, where that is and that is, that's where the HVAC module is going to bolt up to and plug in. Then it'll plug into the I'm trying to get as much as I can in the video, but it's difficult when the doors keep blowing shut. I'm outside, I don't have a shop yet, so it makes it a little bit difficult. So I'm trying to be as informative as I can. Alright, let's move on now. Alright, so my truck's tore all to pieces right now. I have this GPS antenna that I ordered off eBay. I'm going to peel the sticky part off, and right back here in my dash, you can see the dash flexing. It's nothing but plastic, so that way it'll be able to pick up the signal without me having to drill holes in the truck and run wires everywhere. I'm going to just put it right here in the dash and call it done, because the plastic on the dash is thin enough that the GPS antenna will still work. So, alright, moving on. Alright, sorry I took a break in between the video, but I went ahead and put it all back together, hooked everything up. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's turn it on and let's see what happens. Did I turn it all the way on? Oh, there we go. We got power. Touchscreen works. Time for the anti-theft code. I called the dealership and got that. Huh. Well, there we go. I can hear the radio. Let me see if... Yeah, I can hear it working, so it does work. The volume button works, the tune button works. So now it's time to just kind of see, you know, set it up with my stuff. But there you have it. There is a budget-friendly way to do the 8.4-inch upgrade on your truck, and I just showed you how to do it. I got away with somebody parting out a truck, so I think I spent around $600 on what, $1,400 worth of parts. But that's if you buy it all new. But I I showed you a way to do it cheaper. Now you can take your plain Jane truck and give it an upgrade. So, alright, it just shut off, so, and it's restarting now. Let's kind of just see what happens. I actually got, okay, so we're on FM, AM, FM. I go back and play with this stuff. Huh. Alright. There's a whole lot of stuff. Let's see if the navigation. Yep, there we go. Fort Campbell, Kentucky. Now there you have it. The navigation works, the radio works, and the cool thing is, where I did upgrade recently to the 8.4 inch, the 7-inch, the navigation will actually show in the EVIC cluster now. So I can set the navigation and it'll be sitting in the speedometer off of the radio. So if you got any questions or anything, I'm going to try and put all the links to everything down below this video. Show me support, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, thanks. Oh yeah, just to throw this in there, we didn't get a chance to check the heat and air and stuff to see if it all worked with the module I got out of the wreck truck. So now if you look, here's the controls, and there we go. You can see it on the screen, and there we go. There's my temperature. Turn my AC on, and there you go. Everything does work. So turn it off, but so yeah, if you got any questions, just feel free to ask. But like I said, until the next video, later.